Hello everyone. Here beginning with a new video tutorial on a new occult subject which is all about tarot reading. So in this video I will cover about the number and types of tarot cards and also the names of all the major arcana tarot cards. So if you like the video and want to gain more knowledge about tarot reading in my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe AstroDebanwita and like my video. A tarot deck has 78 cards, split into two parts, Major Arcana and Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana cards are about big life events. The Minor Arcana cards deal with everyday things. Minor Arcana cards are divided into four groups: Cups, Wands, Swords, and Pentacles. Each group has numbered cards and court cards. The Major Arcana tarot cards represent the life lessons, karmic influences and the big archetypal themes that are influencing your life and your soul's journey to enlightenment. The Major Arcana card meanings are deep and complex, in beautiful ways. These cards are also known as trump cards, beginning with the Fool at 0, and ending with the World at 21. As of total there are 22 Major Arcana tarot cards. They are the following: 0. The Fool 1, the Magician 2, the High Priestess 3, the Empress 4, the Emperor 5, the Hierophant 6, the Lovers 7, the Chariot 8, Strength 9, the Hermit 10, Wheel of Fortune 11, Justice 12, the Hanged Man 13, Death 14, Temperance 15, Devil 16, the Tower 17, the Star 18, the Moon 19, the Sun 20, Judgment 21, the World. Hope you liked this video. The next video will be information about the 56 Minor Arcana cards coming soon. Stay tuned.